How to get 5G on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Settings allow users to customize, control, and secure your device. You can adjust settings for the screen, sound, wireless connections, etc., and manage your accounts, apps, and notifications to create a personalized user experience. Once you're here, tap on Cellular as shown. In the Cellular menu, you can manage your various data plans and settings. Tap on Cellular Data Options to proceed, and then select Voice and Data. Here, change the settings to 5G on to always use the 5G network when it is available. It enhances your experience with higher quality video and FaceTime. Following these steps, you can easily get 5G on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.